The quickest way to get a virtual hard drive to sysprep is to download one already pre-configured from Microsoft. After you finish downloading the virtual hard drive from Microsoft, put it somewhere on your computer, somewhere where you can find it, and you'll end up with this file, which is a compressed hard drive. Double click on it and click run, and that causes it to decompress. It defaults to the same location where you have the file. You can put it there or some place where it's convenient for you. Okay, it finished decompressing, so I have a virtual hard drive, and I'm going to leave it here because I'm going to use it to build a virtual machine and sysprep the file so I can use it multiple times after that. And to do that, bring up Server Manager. I'm already in the Hyper-V Manager, and there I'm going to create a new virtual machine, and I'm just going to call it sysprep. Take the default memory. I don't need to be connected. To do that, I want to use an existing hard drive, and remember I put that under, I believe it was E, Microsoft Downloads, and the hard drive is right here. I'm going to select it and I'm ready to build the machine. Click Finish, and there it is. Now I'm ready to turn the machine on. I'm going to click on it and start it up. As soon as the machine comes up, I'm going to log in. And once it finishes logging me in, the sysprep process is actually really simple and really quick. You go find the sysprep folder that's located under Windows, System 32, and then sysprep. And as you can see, it's right here. Open that up, and then you're going to run sysprep. And here you have a couple of choices. I choose out-of-box experience for when the machine comes up, and click generalize. You want to make sure that you do click generalize, because that instructs sysprep to remove system specific data from the Windows installation and removes the SID. And we want to make sure to choose shutdown so we can save the sysprep state. The machine will shut down, and then at that point you have a sysprepped hard drive, virtual hard drive, that you can make copies of and use in multiple machines. And they're finished. It shuts down the machine. I'm going to close it and then go back into where I had the original hard drive, which is right here. And now this is a sysprep hard drive, so I'm going to rename it to denote that sysprep. And all you have to do to use it multiple times is make several copies, or as many as you need, of this one file. The reason I rename it is because I don't want to have to do the sysprep over and over again each time I want to use a machine, so I'll just make a copy of this one that's already sysprepped, and then rename it to use it and use it in a virtual computer. Once you've renamed the file, one thing to remember is that since I've renamed it, this sysprep virtual machine that I created, it's not going to work anymore because I renamed its hard drive. But the only reason I created that machine was so I could do a sysprep on the hard drive. So I technically no longer need the machine, so I'm going to delete it. And there it goes. Just to be sure that no one gets confused, I deleted the virtual box but not the hard drive. If I go back to where I had that virtual hard drive, it should still be there. It was under E, Microsoft Downloads, and then there it is. So I deleted the actual virtual machine but not the hard drive, and now this hard drive I'm going to be able to use on several machines just by making copies of it.